Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, but this video will not be uploaded on a Sunday. So it is now 10:51. I just finished up an order for $30.64. The goal today is like $180, I guess. Really $178, but we just gonna round it up to $180. I'm so mad because I was getting parked and I missed out on a $48 order. When I looked down, it was gone. That would put me over 70, like, bro. But it's okay, our order is coming. Today, the plan is to not sit for long. Like, even if I have to do something small, I'm gonna do it because time is money. And if I'm sitting, I'm not making money. Like, Sundays are usually busy. Thank you. Whoever said bless you, thank you. But I'm praying that I can make this money fast so I can go home and get this video done. We got an order. $30, $30.83. Let's see what the item's looking like. A case of water. This is not bad though. This is not bad. 12-pack drink, 24 case of water, and 2 6-packs. It's not bad though. It's not bad. It's going to a house, so we're good. All right, so we about to be up $60 already. Let me go. I will see y'all in a few. I am out of there, y'all. Today is such a rainy day, bro. I hate when people don't respond. So I'm literally asking this lady, like, okay, they don't have the pretzels that you want, but they have, she wanted the, it was, I think it started with an R. I can't remember the actual, okay, sir. I can't remember the word. Turn right. But they didn't have that. They had sticks and some other things, but it was still gluten-free, and she didn't respond. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give her a chance, you know? She doesn't respond. So they didn't have the bread that she wanted. It was like some frozen bread, but she had down like a replacement. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna, where am I going? I'm gonna just get the replacement. I get the replacement. Now she wants to talk. Can you refund the bread? Lady, I've been asking you questions and you literally ignored me. I ended up doing a couple refunds because once I feel like you're ignoring me, I'm not finna keep asking you questions. Like, you can see what I'm doing. So if you don't want a refund, you want to know what else they have, then I'll let you know. But once I feel like you're ignoring me, I'm not saying anything else to you. I'm just gonna refund it because I don't have time. I'm not finna stay in the store forever waiting on you. Like I said earlier, time is money, and you're basically wasting my time by not responding because I could have been done. I guess I need to get over. But yeah, so we're out of there. This is probably gonna turn into a 20-something order. Get over! Bro, people, why am I getting annoyed? Why am I getting annoyed? I don't know. I'm about to go around. I don't know what this person doing. I'm about to go drop this off, and then we're gonna see what we can get next. I'm very annoyed because I hate being ignored. I clearly know you are looking at your phone because you told me to refund that. So why didn't you answer my question? But it's all good. I'm about to go drop this off, and then hopefully we'll get something better after this. I just got to my next order. It took a while, but you know, being patient because I'm not going home, even though I really want to go home and lay in my bed. We just got an order for $30.94. It is 2 customers, it's 2 stores. Food Line and Harris Teeter. The first person got 15 items, second person got 6 items, and there's also a $3 promo going on. So if it wasn't for this promo, it would have been like 27. So hopefully we don't have to do any refunds so we can get the whole 30. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and knock this out. That literally only took me 10 minutes. Where did I put the receipt? Right here. All right. Let's take a picture of the receipt real quick. No refunds whatsoever. I just love when they have everything in stock. Like, I just love it. I love it. Because it's like I don't have to talk. And then also, I get my full dollar amount. The picture has been taken. Now we're off to Harris Teeter, which is around the corner. Let's see what Susan got. Susan. Okay, Susan. All right. Susan is my girl. Okay. Susan only got 6 items, 11 units, and it's nothing heavy. That's my girl right here. Let's go to Harris Teeter. So mad. I should have known there was gonna be something not in stock. The freaking grapefruit cups are not in stock. I'm looking for this right now. Found it. This sucks, bro. It's probably gonna be like 20 something. Scan the barcode. Hey, what I'm struggling. Now let's go get the yogurt and refund the grapefruit cups, and then we'll be out of here. Yeah, I was so scared. So y'all see how it looks empty? They were all the way in the back. So we got 3 of those. Now let's scan the barcode. 3, and we are so done. Freaking crazy for not taking any of those orders, because I could literally probably be at my goal by now. But I just accepted an order for $28.20. It's 3 customers. I'm talking to the support person right now. I'm getting one of the customers removed because I'm not doing it, bro. I'm not doing it. I clicked it so fast because I knew if I didn't, somebody else was gonna accept it. But one customer B, already has a case of water, which is fine. He just has 1. Customer C, she ordered 3 cases of water, and she's on the 2nd floor. And then she left a note, because I'm pretty sure whenever she order water, they don't bring it to the 2nd floor. She said, make sure water is delivered to blah, 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 apartment, blah, 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 2nd floor, 1st door on left. I'm yelling because you put it in caps. I'm not doing that. She got 3 waters. I'm not. No. Because for all that amount should have been higher. And I feel like she didn't even tip a lot. The amount is going to go down some. I don't know how much. Hopefully it's not a lot. But yeah, I'm not doing that. So I'm just waiting on him to remove it. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to the store. I can't do that though. Like that's 4 waters in total. Like, it's not like she got 1 water. She got 3. And then the other customer already got 1. I'm not doing it. Let me say thank you. And I rated him 5 stars. Turn the jam down. Boom. Okay. So it is now Thursday. I was supposed to vlog yesterday, but yesterday was just a very frustrating day for me. Like, it was so slow. I don't know how I'm going to do Wednesdays, because doing any gig app, it is different every day. No day is the same. Last Wednesday it was slow as shit, and this Wednesday it was slow as shit. So I did 3 orders yesterday, so I was able to make like 57 yesterday, but it was so slow. So I don't know how I'm gonna handle Wednesdays. I feel like if I don't come out, then I'm gonna make $0 with gig work. So it's like I might come out, but if I don't get anything within a certain amount of time, I just might go home. Because yeah, it was so frustrating. But today's a new day. I was out earlier, but I left home without eating, and I had a headache, so I went back home and ate. And then I edited another video that I'm working on. Now it is 1:21. I just took a $14 order. Still down where I live at, but it's going up to where I work at, basically. It's a stupid order. If I didn't work up that way, I would never take this. It's $14, 14 miles. But since I'm going up that way anyways to work, I was like, I might as well just do it. It's only 13 items. Hopefully I'll actually remember to vlog throughout the day so that this can be a complete vlog. The only reason I'm continuing this is because I didn't vlog throughout the whole Sunday, and that would have been a great video because I did so good that day. On my way to the store right now. I will check in with y'all probably once I get inside the store or once I get out. I was on the phone when I was putting the order in the car, so I didn't get to, like, you know, show me putting it in the car. But I finally got another order. This one is 17 some change. I forgot to screenshot. Well, I didn't forget. I just didn't get the chance to screenshot it. This one is from CVS. I don't know what's going on this week. I've been out. I've been ready to work. It's just been slow. It's just been slow. But I'm gonna keep filming regardless. Whatever I get, I'm gonna try to remember to film. But yeah, so I will see y'all inside of CVS. So this is everything I have to get. All right. This is the correct item. Out of there. That took longer than I thought it would. She just sent me a message though. She said thank you so fast with the wind emoji. When you deliver, I'll just check my notifications and or look out the window so you don't have to knock. I wasn't gonna do that anyways unless you told me to. My dog will start barking and I'm not trying to hear all that. Thank you. Okay, laugh out loud, no problem. I felt like I took forever. That was not fast. Let's go ahead and take a picture of the receipt and barcode. I did try to get some footage of me scanning the stuff in, but it was just taking too long. So I'm like, I need to hurry up. I can't film and work. I gotta go. Bro, I literally hate getting behind people that drive under the speed limit. Like, bro, you will literally get pulled over for this. Like, this is crazy. I want to go around so bad, but like I don't want to get hit. We're not even close to the turn, bro. Oh my goodness. If they go around, I'm gonna go around.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
We almost there. We getting closer. This is crazy. Ain't no way you gotta try to slow. Like, you're literally going under the speed limit. Speed it up. I have somewhere to be. Like, it's not like I'm just out right now. I'm working.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Long Road.
Hurry up. There's 2 lanes up here. Come on, so I can go around. I am horrible with the screenshots today. This is about to be so heavy, but it was $31 and some change. Petco, 8 items. But y'all, hold on. I'm gonna show y'all in one minute. All right, so this is what I had to get. I'm fine with the 22 pounds, but that 40, bro, y'all know I be getting the what is it, 35-pound buckets or 30-pound buckets. Y'all know I be carrying the 30-pound buckets of base. Those already be heavy enough. But I can do the 22, but the 40 is crazy. But we're gonna knock this out. It shouldn't take too long as they have everything. And yeah, we should be out pretty fast. It did take me a couple minutes in the store because I was trying to figure out if I should just get this harness. He wanted a large navy blue harness, but they didn't have the brand that he wanted, and he was not responding. So I just got the only one that I saw. I think it went down some because that harness was actually cheaper. Let me see. Yeah, it went down 40 cents. So I got $30.61 for that order, which is good. And the 40-pound bag was not even that heavy. I guess since I'm so used to lifting up the off space, it just isn't that heavy to me no more. I'm strong out here, okay? I think this might be it. I'm gonna sit out here for a little while longer, but literally there's nothing up here. And while I was on the way back over here, nothing was popping up. So I think this might be it for today. If I get something else, then I will come back. If not, then this just might be the end of this video.